Everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Looking at another saw that's going to be for sale. This is a 1976 Homelite Super Easy Automatic. This actually was one of my firewood saws for the last, about 5 years. And I'd still be using it, except I picked up a Western version that has the full wrap handle. And granted, I could have taken that and put it on this saw, but that saw ran beautifully, so it made no sense. So we'll go ahead and sell this one. I've previously gone through it, done things like a starter rope. It's got some mileage on it now, but it's not bad. I've done a carburetor kit, hoses, duckbill valves in the cap, spark plug. It has a rim style sprocket that hasn't even eaten a full chain yet, so it's got plenty of wear left on it. Yeah, everything's here. It's complete. Has a spark arrestor in it. It's not the cover that's original to the saw, so there's a slight paint hue difference, but hey, this is a runner, not a shelf queen. I did just put a fresh chain on here. Fresh Oregon chain. That's a full chisel, full comp, round file. Go ahead and take a listen to it run. And not a lot of fuel in there. Come on, baby. Okay. This has been a good, reliable saw for me. If you've run one of these before, you know you can put a bigger bar on here. I've got a 20-inch on mine right now. You got to be careful. You don't want to overheat the clutch, hogging it too hard. But for a 44cc engine, these things, they have some good grunt. So, equipped with a 16-inch bar like this, it'll cut through just about anything that you come to. So if you need a firewood saw, this could be the one for you.